Hi and welcome to Landlord Chat with Tina Case from Professionals Real Estate in Lithgow. One question that I'm often asked by landlords is, what do I need to look for when I'm purchasing my landlord protection insurance? And is it necessary for us to have that if we've got an agent? Well, first of all, it's absolutely necessary for you to have landlord protection insurance. It's absolutely vital that you have this cover. Regardless of the fact that you've got an agent, there are always things that could possibly happen, and there's no way of predicting these things. So it's really important that you have that type of cover for yourself. The first thing that I would suggest you look for when you go purchasing a policy is what is your excess and what things are you covered for. They're really important things. If your policy has an excess of $1,200 and your property is only getting $200 a week, that's a lot of money behind that a tenant needs to be before you can be paid. So you need to make sure that you're looking for a policy where those excesses are not going to be so high that it's not worth your while having a policy in place. The other thing that you need to make sure that you're covered for is things like tenant default as well as tenant arrears. They're actually separate things, and it's really important that you read the PDS and the disclosure statements to make sure that you know what you're being covered for. Are you covered for only malicious damage? Are you covered for tenant pet damage? There's a lot of questions that you need to look into, and it's really vital that you have this sort of cover. There's plenty of policies out there that are really great, and if you'd like to ask us any questions with regard to what sort of policies we find work really well, give our office a call. You can catch me at the office on 63 525 125. Thanks.